In this video, I will show you how to change brightness on your Android TV. Whether you have the newer models of Android TV or the older model, by the end of this video, you should be able to change or adjust the brightness of any Android TV you have. Now, there are different ways to go about changing the brightness of your Android TV depending on the type or brand of Android TV you have, but I'm going to try to cover up all of the methods in this particular video so that everybody can tag along. Now, what you want to do basically is to head over to the picture settings of your Android TV, and the location of the picture settings actually differs in different Android TVs. Now, for some Android TVs, basically what you want to do is to head over to the settings of the Android TV at the top over here, and then from here you want to just scroll down to device preferences, and from device preferences over here, if you scroll down, you're going to see TV settings and picture settings in this list of menus under device preferences on your Android TV. But if you do not find it here, another way to actually find the picture settings is to head over to the settings again, and then you're going to see it just after the device preferences over here. You're going to see either TV settings or picture settings just after the device preferences, and then you want to go and select it. And then lastly, in some Android TVs, basically what you want to do is to press on the settings button on the remote control. Now, this is actually what works for my Android TV over here. This is actually the TCL Android TV, and once you press on the settings button on the TV remote control, you're going to get these picture settings over here under the TV settings. Now, you want to go ahead and select the picture settings in whatever type of Android TV you have, and from here you should see the brightness settings over here on the TV. So you can go ahead and adjust the brightness, reduce it, or either increase the brightness of the TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.